Welcome to the Pip Hunter Trading Show this morning. How's everyone doing? I've been on a vacation over the last week, and Cameron's been taking over the last few days, and he's been doing an absolutely awesome job. In fact, most of his trades are paid off. He's still got the one trade running right now, and that is the CAD Swiss franc. We're going to dive into some trades this morning. Hopefully everyone's ready to rock and roll. Grab pen and paper. Actually, in fact, grab your laptop with your trading platform on. We're going to go ahead and look for some trade opportunities. See you right after this. Alrighty, traders, well, welcome back to the Pip Hunter Show, or should I say to myself, Gary, welcome back to the Pip Hunter Show. Good to have everyone here again this morning. We definitely dive into some trades and look and see what's going on. But I must say that Cameron's done an absolute stellar job. And that reminds me that in June, which is next week, we're going to be launching Cameron's own trading room. In fact, he's going to be doing his own session, private sessions with students running on these trade setups on a week-to-week basis. In fact, he's been doing this 4 times a week. It starts next month. Check out the email. We're going to send out an email to all our students to make sure that they get ready to rock and roll. And it really means this, traders. It means that you're going to be able to do a couple of things. All right, if you sign up with the Starter Pro membership, what you're going to be able to get is sessions with Cameron. You're going to be able to get the trading tool, which is the Pip Hunter Trading Tool, which I'm going to show you how to use it here in the session today. You're going to be able to get a trade replica option to connect your account. If you choose to do so, you can actually connect your account, and all the trades that Cameron does, you will get put into your own trading account as well. Also, what's also cool is that he's also going to be giving you guys some information about how you can get connected to our Discord channel, and you can actually join the community where we can talk about trades on a regular basis, and you'll be able to communicate with Cameron and have conversation around the trade opportunities and trade things that he's talking about inside the Discord channel. You certainly want to go ahead and check that out. We'll be sending some information out to our students before next week as we go ahead and finalize the details to get ready for next week launch. So really excited about that, because we've seen that there's a lot of students that have had a lot of success from these trades that we're doing right here. And so we want to go ahead and pass that on to you guys and give you the opportunity to be able to get more involved in more of these sessions. Now, yes, if you're asking yourself, does that mean that the Pip Hunter Show on the YouTube channel is going to reduce? And the answer to that is, unfortunately, yes, it is. Because Cameron's time is going to be taken to be able to dedicate to those students that are actually wanting to get more information, more trade opportunities. So yes, it will. We'll send out the information before next week, so you guys can know exactly what you're going to be expecting. Well, while we're here today, let's go ahead and jump into some trade opportunities. Now, before we do, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, ACAP. And so with that being said, check out this video. All right, traders, if you're looking to open up a trading account, make sure you go check out the description down below. There is, of course, details and links to be able to sign up for a brokerage account, and that brokerage account would be only for international clients. When I say international, I mean non-US clients. You can go ahead and sign up with ACAP, and they are certainly giving a good service to our clients so far, and we love the sort of partnership that we have with them. So make sure you go ahead and check out the link down below. Also, while you're down there, there's a lot of information in the link down below. Links to our website, links to our social media, links to the trade replica that we have that you can check out the results on. That's done, by the way, absolutely awesome. In fact, a trade replica, which is if you go to our website, TradersNetworkClub.com, you'll check out the professional membership. It is the Pip Hunter Trade Replica, and what it's done over 2021. We produced 153% in 2021, and that is 18,500 pips as well. Also, this year, we're way over 100. In fact, we're at 117% this year alone. We're going to hit record highs. In fact, this month in May, we actually surpassed all of this is our best month ever, giving us almost a 21% return this month alone. And we're not done yet. We've still got some more trading to go. So it's done exceptionally well. In fact, we're probably going to be hitting 230% for the year if we keep at the rate that we're going right now. So we're pretty excited about that. And for those that have not signed up for a trade replica, check out our website, TradersNetworkClub.com. Check out the professional membership. That's the one you want to go ahead and grab. Now, with that being said, traders, let's go ahead and dive into some trade opportunities this morning and see what we have right now from a manual perspective using the Pip Hunter Trading Tool, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to use that. So let's jump into some trades, and as I go ahead and take a look at the market this morning. Oh, by the way, let me just go ahead and greet a couple of people here. Yes, Jen's in the house. Good morning, Jen. We got Ollie in the house. Appreciate you guys. So this is what is the hybrid channel? What is the hybrid channel? You might be talking about my hybrid trading room. That's what you might be talking about, Ollie. But the hybrid channel, I don't know what the hybrid channel means, unless you're talking about the hybrid trading room. All right, so let's go dive into some trades right here, and let's see what's going on with the pairs. Now, just as I mentioned earlier on, there is one trade that Cameron has still kept himself locked and loaded in, and that is the CAD Swiss. I actually like that. I like the buy in CAD Swiss. I think we should continue to hold that. All right, let's continue to hold the CAD Swiss. But there are definitely other opportunities here that we can go ahead and look at. So what's so unique is, and this is what I really love about what Cameron's doing, is that he's really embraced the education and the training that I've given him to get him set up and ready to start doing what he's doing in these shows. He's really learned a lot in a short period of time, and he's continuing to learn and improving his strategy, improving his way of looking at the market and entering the market. Now, he's very new at broadcasting, and so there's still a bit of work there, but you know what? The information that he's doing is absolutely stellar, and that's what really counts right here, is how he enters the market. And so he does enter the market a little different to me, because he's found something that he's very much comfortable with, and that is, of course, supply and demand levels. I don't look at supply and demand levels, but he does. But this is what's so unique about how he trades and how I trade, but yet we come up with the same opportunities and the same look at the markets. Now, he would differ, and Cameron would say that he is better, all right? And so I think what we need to do is we need to have a trade battle between me and Cameron, and let's see who can pick up the best trades, and maybe we'll set that up in June. Start setting up some trade battles between Cameron and I to see who actually sets up the best trades. He'll take his 3 trades, I'll take my 3 trades, and we'll go ahead and implement some trade opportunities. I think that might be a good challenge for the two of us. So with that being said, I think it's on. It's on. That challenge is on, Cameron. It's on like Donkey Kong, buddy. All right, so let's go take a look and see what's going on here with the New Zealand CAD. So New Zealand CAD right here, we see a nice little push right here. I'm going to be honest with you. If I look at the New Zealand CAD, I'm going to go up to a larger time frame right here. Let's do, I would like to go to an 8-hour if we do have an 8-hour on this. And no, we don't, so that's fine. I'm not going to go to 8 hours, and then let's go to this. I'm going to clean up my charts here a little bit. Okay, so no, I'm going to keep it like this. All right, so this is the deal. If we take a look over here on the chart, you'll notice that we have some market cycles that are taking place right here. And so these market cycles have created, here in the short term right here, created a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 up here, and now we've gone ahead and hit that 1.618. Now, because of the 1.618 being hit, we're now looking for price right here at the 1.27 right here. We need price to go ahead and start working its way back up and heading north. So this, believe it or not, this is the 4-hour. So this right here is where I'm going to go ahead and pay more attention to on the lower time frames. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go down to the 1 hour. And we're going to pull in some details. Yeah, let me go do some housekeeping there. So here is the 1 hour. And if I look at the 1 hour right here, this is actually pretty unique here, because we see that we have a wave 1. We have a wave 2 taking place right here. Wave 2 from here to here. And then to wave 3. And take a look right here. Notice that we've gone ahead and hit the 1.618 right here. So traders, guess what? I believe that we're going to continue to see the market drop back down south and chase after that low right here. And that's going to be our fourth wave low right here. And that is at 82.27. And so, and I'm almost certain there's a supply level here. No, actually demand level right here that we might have to go through in order to get to that level. But I'm going to go ahead and chase after a sell. So I'm going to go ahead and look to sell the market. Now, this is a 1 hour time frame. And I'm analyzing this off of 1 hour. I do notice that we have support here. And we have the oscillator down in an oversold condition right here. And so we're at the support level right here. It's a little iffy. But I'm going to bank on this right here. I'm going to bank on this being a 1, 2, 3. And if you've been in some of my classes, you'll know that I talk about these 1, 2, 3s right here. This is a level of support right here. And so I want to see a break below that and then chase after that low right here. Now, if I go ahead and take a look at this. Let's do this. If I go ahead and take a look at this distance here, from the high to the low right here, we've got about 73 pips, okay? And then what I want to do is I want to take the distance. Why is it's not working here? Hang on. There we go. Then I want to take the distance from the low here to up here, and that's 42 pips. Okay, the reason why I'm measuring out this distance here is because if we add support and the support doesn't break, then what will happen is the market will go up a little higher, which means I'm probably going to have to enter another trade. But that means if we come back to support because we're heading into some sort of consolidation, then that means we're going to have this, right? We're going to have the market doing something like this, where it's going to bounce off support, go back up here, come down here. And if I enter again at the top here and price comes back down to the first entry point, guess what? We're going to get out and take a profit. So I like this range. The range is about 42 pips right here. That'll give me the option to be able to trade it right now at the support level and then go ahead and re-enter it again at the top here because we just range bound. But I am expecting a breakout of this range. And if it doesn't happen and I'm wrong, then of course we're still going to go ahead and make some profit. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in on this right here. And I'm actually going to throw in a sell on the New Zealand CAD right here. There it is. So New Zealand CAD, this is the trading tool that I spoke about right here. This is the trading tool that we're going to be using. It's called the Pip Hunter Trading Tool. And so what it does is once you set it up, all you have to do is click the sell or buy button and all the parameters are set up, which means that the tool is going to actually manage your position. It's going to manage all your positions. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to try and do anything, but it's going to just go ahead and manage it for you, which is fantastic. That's what you want, right? And so when you sign up with the Starter Pro membership and join Cameron on his sessions, you'll get access to this tool, but also you'll get access to, of course, to a trade replica to follow those trades in case you don't want to use that tool that day. And you say, well, Gary, I'm going to be on vacation this week, but I want to go ahead and catch all Cameron's trades. You'll watch him on video, but you'll go ahead and allow Cameron to go ahead and place his trades, and you'll just follow in through the trade replica. So you have that option. All right. Now the next thing is, and by the way, we will have a super cool starter membership price for at least the first 30 days, so you guys can get the feel of everything, see if you like this before you go ahead and commit yourself to a long-term membership. So let's go ahead and take a look at the next trade. All right, so the next trade here is going to be, and to be honest with you, traders, I've only got one more trade that I really want to look at, and that's going to be on, let's see here. I'm interested in the euro US dollar right here. And we're in an overbought condition. I am looking for price to move down a little lower. And I'm going to go ahead and do this. 1, 2 up here. And we've got price here at the top right here at resistance. We've got overbought condition. I'm seeing a bit of divergence here, negative divergence between price and momentum. And because of this, right here, I'm going to look for price to go ahead and fall back down, even if it's going to come back down to retest the 382 bounce right here, just a little deeper retracement. So I like the euro US dollar right here on a sell, despite of this rally that we saw in the last hour. I think this is just going to be just a short-term rally. In fact, if you look over here, looks like we've got a nice little, let's go put it up here. Nice little bearish flag coming off that low right here. So we got the high, low, and then we have this bullish flag, bearish flag. And so we're at the top of the bullish flag. We got divergence here. And so therefore, I'm looking for price to fall south on this one, right? So I'm going to go ahead and sell on the euro US dollar right here. And you know what? For kicks and giggles, because we went short on the euro US dollar, let me take a quick look at the US dollar CAD. I don't think I'm going to do anything on the US dollar CAD, but let me take a look over here. US dollar CAD. Yeah, I'm going to stay out of the US dollar CAD. You can see that we've actually had very little movement in this week's trading right here. I'm going to stay out of the US dollar CAD at the moment right now. Although we're at a support level right here. Let's do this. Yeah, we're at a support level right here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to go long. I'm going to go long. This is the 15-minute time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour right here. Let's take a look at the news. All right, looks like we're going to get some range-bound trading as we're heading into Memorial Weekend. So let's go ahead and throw in a buy on the US dollar CAD right here. All right, I'm going to go in with a buy the US dollar CAD. Let's see if we can trade that that consolidation right there. And then the only thing I've got left is the Aussie CAD. And I said I was only going to put 2 trades in. You see how addictive this thing can become. All right, I'm definitely going to stay out on the Aussie CAD right now. Looks like we're in the middle of the road. Consolidation. We're not seeing overbought, oversold condition right here. Yeah, I'm going to stay out on the Aussie CAD. All right, that's it. That's it. All right, let's sum it up. All right, so we are long on US dollar CAD. We are long on CAD Swiss. We are short on New Zealand CAD. And we are currently short on US dollar, or this euro US dollar right there. So we've got 4 trades in. Let's take a look and see how that plays out over the next couple of days. Remember, we're going to head into Memorial Weekend, so things might slow down tomorrow as we head into the weekend. And of course, Monday being the Memorial Weekend, it might be a slow Monday. But then come Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll start getting some more fire behind the wheel. So we'll take a look and see how that plays out. With that being said, traders, looking forward to, once again, looking forward to the new launch of Cameron's sessions. Make sure you guys check out your email. Make sure you check out our website, TradersNetworkClub.com. And there's a lot of interesting stuff. And if you haven't signed up for a trade replica, traders, 117% up this year already. What are you waiting for? Get in, get involved. And if you guys really need some help, go ahead and send us an email to support@TradersNetworkClub.com. And we can help you be able to get set up and give you and push you in the right direction. With that being said, traders, you have a fantastic day of trading and a great weekend celebrating Memorial Weekend. And we'll see you back next week. This is the FxBigDog signing off.